am Karen Delaney. I am the new executive director of the Falmouth Service Center. I took the role on September 1st of this year. Before that, I had joined the Falmouth Service Center in 2009 as the first assistant director, and I've been basically the deputy director since that time, working with Brenda Swain for all those years as her partner. The pandemic hit obviously in March, and we had to pivot our entire food distribution to be a drive-through model. So fortunately, we had a model in place for what we do at Thanksgiving, but we're now distributing food to any household in need from any zip code, and it's a drive-through model. People drive up our driveway 4 days a week. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 to noon, and Wednesday nights. We're here for people who are coming after work from 3:30 to 5:30. They're pre-packed bags of food, so that is different. We don't have the pantry open. Pre-packed bags of food, plus milk, eggs, cheese, meat, fresh produce, pet food, and diapers. Now, since the fall hit, we've seen a big boost in the numbers coming through. For Thanksgiving, we're still doing a distribution on November 23rd and 24th. Our families are currently registering now for that program. The biggest change for Thanksgiving is our annual turkey drop-off day. We normally invite the entire community to join us, and this year we can't do that because of COVID restrictions. But we are encouraging people to come to the turkey drop-off day on Sunday, November 22nd, and we are accepting frozen turkeys. That is the only item we're able to accept right now, and it'll be a drive-through. Again, you'll be able to stay safely in your car, and we'll have volunteers who are taking the turkeys out that we'll use for distribution the next 2 days. This year, we're planning that we'll be potentially doing about 850 turkey baskets. We are providing turkey baskets to Falmouth families and also to military families serving through Joint Base Cape Cod. For our holiday toy program, that is probably the program that's had the biggest change this year. Normally, for many of you who have been either donated, you've dropped off toys and wrapping paper. We transform our warehouse into a full toy store. This year, we can't do any of that. We're registering people over the phone. We're asking for if they have preferences, and we have one program for the 0 to 10-year-olds and another program for the 11 to 17-year-olds. We cannot accept toys from the public, but we are accepting gift cards so that the families can either order gifts for their children utilizing the gift cards or shop at some of the local stores. So we are taking gift cards from 8 Cousins for books and toys and games for families, and Olympia Sports, Walmart, TJ Maxx, and Target. Our thrift shop is over at 141 Sandwich Road, and we reopened the shop in July. We're fortunate in that we've had a great outpouring of volunteers for the shop. We're there Wednesday through Saturday, 10 to 4, and we are taking household donations at the shop from 10 to 2 on those same days. The fact that we're able to operate in this pandemic is in large measure due to the support we've had from the community, so we're very, very grateful.